I'm actually calling you.
Yeah.
So Robert is back. What's it called? I'm making a taco for us and I'm making schnitzel for Robert. I promised Robert to make this schnitzel, but we have been cooking something else, something else. So today is another big day to make it since I'm making taco. Oh, and it's so much inside. Maybe I can make for Ashley and for any other kid that will want. Look, it's much inside. For frying, I'm gonna be using this one, this rama right here.
The company that tried, that are the people who is doing the money, I mean giving the money, who is taking the cacao, is doing it correctly, like, huh?
You know, that is not how to do it. Like this. Wait. Look at it. Robert Mujafo, like this.
How do you do this?
Because I go under. And then you flip. Under. Take. And flip it. Don't throw it. You get scratch on your face. Yes. Yeah. If you move this, you have to move. Yeah. Is that not even fat? So the lock is not there. Why are you in that? I want a lot of carrot on it. That is the reason why you see I'm turning it off. Yeah, so we can go and eat and then we can just all of that later. So see you guys later.